Hey Lean Squad, Squatty Emily here to talk to you guys about how much I love the Lean Squad. I signed up for the 6-week challenge back in November of 2019, and I did it because I was tired of feeling bloated, tired, and constantly getting sick, and just overall finding excuses to not go to the gym and not better myself. So after seeing Phil's posts about just starting now, kicking it in before the new year, it really motivated me just to sign up and just see how it goes. I honestly never could have imagined that I would be where I am today. I've completed the 6-week program and I've moved on to another 6-week program I gifted myself for Christmas because, as you know, there is nothing better than investing in yourself. My favorite parts about the program, though, was the food and the support, as well as obviously the workouts were great. But I really loved the support that Phil gave. So constantly messaging, engaging on chats, giving us more extra meals and all different kinds of options for you. If you're a picky eater, this is definitely the plan for you because there's an abundance of meals. So right away, he gives us 40 meals that we can choose from. And so you'll definitely find something for you. And if you don't, you just message him and he'll give you more. Like, I hate avocados. So I got a different kind of breakfast options and it was perfect. So once again, I love the support that Phil gives because this is a lifestyle change. So you're completely switching from all of your bad habits. You can just throw them all out and just start back over with really good food, really good snack options, a plan on how you're going to eat, a plan on how you're going to work out. It's catered to anyone, morning workout person or night workout person like me. It's completely catered to everyone. With fasting and refuel options, as well as workouts and different modifications on the workouts, literally anyone can do it. If you have bad knees, if you're young, if you're old, it's good for everyone, which is what I love about it. So after finishing the 6-week program, obviously I couldn't get enough of it. So I signed up again. I gifted myself for Christmas the continuation program. And I'm now 2 weeks in, just finished my workout, which is why I look like this. And I have my cozy squatty sweater on. I'm absolutely loving it again. And it's really, really great to see that the engagement is growing. And a couple of my friends have actually signed up too. Shout out to Glenn, Bronwyn, and Vic. The whole program is just addicting, and it's really cool to see other people noticing the changes and motivating each other. I love the group chat because we're all just pumping each other up and really making a difference in each other's lives. My goal for this year is, of course, because it's January, we have resolutions, is consistency. So making this whole plan a lifestyle. No more ups and downs, no more bloated, no more excuses, getting to the gym, even after a bad weekend of whoopsies. It doesn't matter, just get back on the train, as Phil says, just get back on the lean train and cook some good food, which is, again, why I love it. So it's awesome to be here. I'm still going, I'm still working on my goals, which is why it's so great because you can sign up. My goal is to be one of those phase 16 squatties, so I'm looking forward to it. Once again, thanks Phil for all the support. Absolutely love the program. 10 out of 10 would recommend to all of my friends. And I look forward for what's to come. Peace out.